Let's make a dig dug simulator with MakeCode Arcade and Makey Makey. First, cut 5 squares and 1 triangle out of cardboard. Cover each square with foil. Don't forget the triangle. Attach wires with conductive tape. Attach 1 wire to each conductive square. Secure foil with regular tape. To make the shovel conductive, cover with foil or copper tape. Make sure the foil goes all the way to the edge of your shovel. Now you're ready to test Treasure Hunter with Makey Makey. Move with arrows and dig with space, but you have to do them at the same time. Now attach the wires to the alligator clips and attach the alligator clips to Makey Makey. Surround your arrows with copper tape or foil. This will be where you dig. This way you can dig from any direction. The center panel is how you connect to Earth to play. So stand in the center to get ready to dig. Put one foot on Earth and the other one in the direction you want it to go. Then start digging for treasure.